Hi, I'm Tim,
And I'm Martin.
and we would like to give you a quick heads up on the latest addition to our hardware portfolio, which is the MicroLabBox II, a compact system designed for the lab, which is especially great for people who work in academia or research in general.
You can test control algorithms in real time, which are designed in Simulink or connect other models with the FMI standard. But any other simulation of models is possible, and the quad-core processor gives you a high flexibility in your development.
The MicroLabBox II also provides a large FPGA for models developed in Simulink or as VHDL, and it supports step sizes in the nanosecond range.
For an easy setup, the pinout is printed on the enclosure, and the QR code gives you further information on the product.
The MicroLabBox II comes in two different variants. One features BNC connectors on top, and the other has sub-D connectors in the front, and you can choose either one depending on your use case.
We offer an attractive package for universities with comprehensive software licenses and a special discount.
If this caught your interest, don't hesitate to contact us.
Thanks for watching.
dSPACE, your partner in simulation and validation.